illustrations, and animations. These can help illustrate key points in a way that's easy to understand. Tell a story. To make your video more engaging, try to tell a story that connects the key concepts and principles of engineering with a real-world problem or project. This can help viewers see how engineering is applied in the real world and make the content more relatable. Use real-world examples. Using real-world examples can help viewers understand how engineering is applied in the real world. Try to use examples that are relevant to your audience and that illustrate the key principles of your video. Narrator. Let's say you're an engineer tasked with designing a new bridge to connect two cities. This is no small task, as you'll need to take into account factors such as the geography of the area, the weight and volume of traffic, and the safety of the people who will be using the bridge. But how do you even get started? Narrator. The first step is to understand the problem at hand. What are the key challenges and constraints that you need to overcome? In this case, you'll need to design a bridge that can safely support the weight of cars and trucks, while also withstanding the forces of wind and water. Narrator. Understanding the problem is a crucial step in any civil engineering project, as it allows the engineer to identify the specific needs and requirements that the project must fulfill. Without a clear understanding of the problem, a project may fail to meet its objectives, and may even result in unintended negative consequences. A civil engineer must consider a range of factors when designing and constructing a project. For example, they must consider the impact of the project on the environment, including factors such as pollution, erosion, and wildlife habitats. They must also consider the safety of the project, including factors such as seismic risks, flood risks, and fire hazards. Finally, they must consider the needs of the community, including factors such as accessibility, cost, and cultural significance. For example, consider the design of a bridge. A civil engineer must first understand the problem, which is to create a safe and efficient way to cross a river. The engineer must consider environmental factors, such as the impact on the river's ecosystem and the impact on local water quality. The engineer must also consider safety factors, such as the ability of the bridge to withstand high winds or floods. Finally, the engineer must consider community needs, such as the bridge's accessibility for pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles. By understanding these factors, the civil engineer can design a bridge that meets the needs of the. Thank you. Subscribe now.